Pinayista is a community collective of self-identified pinays in the hustle. Hi, my name is Gina Marico Rosales, and I'm the founder and director of Pinayista, formerly known as VIRTUAL Pinayista Summit.
Summit is really about pinays, Filipino women coming together to really share ideas and learnings about what it means to be a leader, to be a business owner, to be an educator, all of those things.
Everyone is seeing each other, like really seeing each other. And I think we're really showing a different side of what it means to be Pinay.
So we were so excited to host our third annual Pinayista Summit in October during Filipino American History Month. But unfortunately, due to coronavirus, we decided to go virtual. So while I'm really, really bummed because I love the energy and excitement of the in-person Pinays at our summit, I'm actually really excited because this virtual summit is an opportunity for us to connect Pinays all over the world that have been following us on Instagram or wanting to connect with us but couldn't make it to San Francisco for summit. So this is our chance to really engage Pinays all over the world. You could have a Pinay in San Francisco having dinner with a Pinay in Manila having breakfast. And this is an opportunity for us to connect everyone virtually in our virtual office and through our summit, and even feature speakers in Paris or Manila for a lightning talk. So what we have planned for Summit 2020, we are doing a 3-day. I feel like every year we expand and add another day. We went from 1 to 2 to 3. So this year we'll be kicking it off on Friday in our virtual HQ on Gatherly with a happy hour, a board member keynote speech, and just DJs and hanging out and connecting with each other. Then we'll head over to Hopin on Saturday and Sunday for our big summit, where we'll feature the acclaimed lightning talks that everyone loves so much every day, and the same kind of workshops, teaching, professional development, and panels that everyone looks forward to with Pinayista Summit. I'm Gina Marico Rosales, and I am a Pinayista.